Hi, so today we are going to be doing a mini lesson. In this mini lesson, we are going to be using an interactive teaching strategy called Think, Pair, and Share. So our activity will be centered around math. As we can see, I am using chat in Google, which is a Google feature. This just helps me organize my thoughts more, and each of the students can have a computer and a whiteboard. So we'll be using both so they can see what I have written here. So here I have our first equation. It is 6 plus 4 equals. I'm going to have the students on their own figure out the equation on their whiteboards. Then I'm going to have them turn and talk with a pre-assigned partner. They can discuss their answers, what they got, if they're different, what they did. And then once they're done discussing and they raise their hand and I see that everyone is about done, I can have them type in their answer into the Google chat because this will be shared with them. This just makes it more engaging, interactive, practicing communication through talking with a partner, through talking with the class, through using Google Chat, because technology has become so a big focus in our classrooms. So that is all I have for today. Thank you very much.